And yet, behind all that fierceness, there is a heart full of loyalty. Dogs may look scary when they bark, growl, or show their teeth, but most of the time, they are simply protecting what matters to them: their home, their space, and the people they love. A dog doesn't understand fear the way humans do. When danger appears, it doesn't hesitate, it reacts. That cage is what has made dogs one of the most trusted companions in human history. From guarding homes to protecting families, their instincts are powerful and deeply rooted. But remember something important: a dog's behavior often reflects how it was raised and treated. With patience, training, and kindness, even the fiercest dog can become a loyal friend, because at the end of the day, beneath the bark and the growl, there is a devoted companion who simply wants to protect and belong.